We have way more updates to talk about in this video regarding the Linea Airdrop. As you see from the title, we got clarity from the CEO itself, so I don't want to waste your time, and with that said, we jump straight onto the update. The first thing first is there is a new airdrop coming. This is the Reya XYZ point system. As we see right here, there's gonna be a future airdrop. So this one is a trading kind of like what we can say hyper liquid is, potentially less hyped about. But if you want to go and participate, the link will be down below. There's no affiliate link, it's just a straight link. Sign up and you are good to go. Connect your wallet and you are good to go. In terms of graphics and looking at the graphs and a airdrop and centralized or decentralized exchange, I want to showcase you my trade from today. So we're gonna be going and closing over on Zoomex. We are in profit. As we see right here, I got the Ethereum trade on an 18% profit, and we're gonna go and close it for $850 profit. So there will be also this video posted on Twitter. Go and join on Twitter for a giveaway. I'll probably be giving away 20% of the profit, so make sure to go and participate. And when it comes to the new trade itself over on Zoomex, as you see here, what do? I will go and open an Ethereum long and I will go and open a Bitcoin long because I do think it is the right time to go. There is a lot of hype. I don't think we can go down, but of course I'm no financial advisor. However, if you want to come and trade with me, there is a $30 bonus for all of you for first sign up users. Make sure to go and sign up now, deposit your first dollar now in the protocol, and there is a $30 bonus for you to go and use as a way of trading for free. So link will be down below. Make sure to go and join, grab your bonus, start trading, deposit a bit of funds over on Zoomex and start trading. I open a Bitcoin long and I open an Ethereum long. This is my position opening. So if you want to follow, the link to Zoomex will be down below. And there is a free $30 for all of you to go and join. And as well, no KYC exchange. So anybody from wherever you are in the world, you can go and join. Next up, I want to go and talk about the eligibility for the Chainbase airdrop that we do have right here. Make sure to go and connect your wallet. Here you have the possibility to connect your wallet. And then over here, we got a 72-hour exclusive claim window before opening to all if you do have an OKX wallet. So if you go and do it, make sure to do that. If you are like me and you got a MetaMask wallet and you want to do it with the MetaMask wallet, then click on the question mark right here. Go down to get a wallet and go and participate with MetaMask wallet. Now it only redirects you to their website right here to go and grab the extension, which you already have. So to go, in order to go and be claiming the airdrop, you need to wait about 50 hours from the release of these videos, and then we will be back here to claim the wallet with MetaMask. But do not worry, I will take you the video and I will make sure to bring you the exact time that you're able to go and claim it. I will bring it to you. Next up, we have the WCT, the Wallet Connect claim is now live. You can check all eligibility through this link down below. Click on the top right over here, check eligibility, go to Phantom, for example, and let's go and sign up to the Phantom wallet and see if we are eligible for it or not, which I do not think I am eligible for it. But simply go and connect your wallet, check the eligibility, and I'm not eligible. So if you want to go and check other wallets, simply click over here on the top right corner and then go to disconnect, check eligibility, connect MetaMask, go and check if MetaMask is, is there or not. I don't even have Solana on MetaMask, so it's not going to be eligible. But let me know your allocation down in the comments below for the airdrop allocation of the WCT token. Next up, we also have the claiming of the Solayer Lab 5th vesting right here. Make sure to go and check, connect your wallet. This is with your Phantom wallet over on Solana. Connect the wallet, check your eligibility. And here we go. I am eligible for 11.84 layer. So all you can do is claim 8, available for claiming 2.43, claim layer, going claim your layer token, and that is it. So as we see, should layer is probably nothing. I don't even know if it's something worth of it. We can go and check right now. I got some Drift protocol token. I got Solana here. I got Solayer, and I did receive 2.43, $1.63 or 66 token dollar. So yeah, let me know your allocation down below on how much you got, how much you earn, and what is your eligibility for the Solayer airdrop, which by the way keeps on giving, which is really nice. People claimed a lot. The vesting ends in 4 days, so there is one last unlock on the end of the week, I believe July, end of July. And now one Solayer is 70 cents. So that is the price wise, and that's why my token is worth $1.66 token, as we see right here. Next up, we're going to talk about the Linea Airdrop right here. This is the CEO of Linea, and is bringing in some clarification for what the airdrop is. As we see here, the Linea tokenomics and the governance details are going to be at the end of July. Not the token generation event. We will not get the Linea token at the end of July, but we will get the tokenomics and the governance details. The checker for your airdrop with the eligibility criteria will be shared a few days before TGE. So first is going to come the tokenomics and the governance details. Then it's going to come the checker for the airdrop eligibility criteria. And then it's going to come the TGE, the token generation event date. It depends on a few external factors, example centralized exchanges, but won't be long after. SBET, which is another thing completely separate from the Linea token, if you did misunderstand that, SBET is a stock for SharpLink, the largest Ethereum treasury company in the world. The ticker for Linea is Linea, but the SBET, Ethereum, and Linea are three amigos united via Ethereum, so three separate different entities. The best thing to do now is immerse yourself in the ecosystem and you will go. So we are still going to wait, but at least in about 2 weeks we should have the tokenomics for Linea, understand what is the allocation for the community, for the task, for the referrals, for this and that. So hopefully the TG is going to be by the end of the summer, but it's really unlikely as it's looking right now. Next up, over on Invariant, make sure to go and participate. This is the last 2 weeks of point system that we have, at least for the content creator program. So if you are a content creator, make sure to go and participate. And Invariant is absolutely pushing the limit. We can see here the statistic. We got about 1 million in the 24-hour volume, which is great. Why? Because as we see here, a lot of people came in with the Eclipse hype and the airdrop hype, and now that Eclipse already announced the checker, and some people are speculating against it, they don't like it, they hate it, they like it, whatever. A lot of people left. So now we are left with only real Invariant users and real Eclipse users, which is absolutely great. And you can say, I don't think it's a bad thing that in terms of the volume over a 1 week period of time, or it's gone down, this is the weekly period, it's because people that were farming Eclipse and farming Invariant, they got tired. So now it's the real community. I'm still in it. We got over also on the monthly chart. I think is good. We got about $16 million in volume already in these first 2 weeks, $34 million in June. They got a liquidity of about 3.5 million. But it is really, really nice. So make sure to go and swap your tokens, collect the points, add liquidity to collect even more points, collect APYs, collect the fees. As we see here, I do have my liquidity on Ethereum and TETH, and I'm currently holding 647,000 points per day from this, and I am a Binion for a minute. I'm ranked 13. I am a long-term supporter of Invariant. You can go back and check all the videos, but Invariant is doing good. And in terms of people who want to go and only be airdrop hunters, they are out of this protocol. So now it's only the real community which is going to be rewarded, which are the people who did actually put in the work, provide liquidity, make the swap, and participate in the Eclipse ecosystem as a whole. As well as Astrol over here. This is another Eclipse token. It's going to be Eclipse token soon, but it is a different protocol. Instead of swapping tokens, here you simply borrow and lend. So my strategy is I supply USDC stablecoins that I do have sitting around, and on return, I go and borrow Ethereum. Then I go and swap this Ethereum over on Invariant for TETH, which is right here. So it's a 2-in-1 strategy. And then with this Ethereum right here, I go and supply this Ethereum right here. And that is how I'm able to rank the, about less than 300. It's going to be super nice. But this is how I'm able to scale the ranks. As we see here, I got the lending point and the borrowing point. So make sure to come and join me if you want to be part of this protocol. But with that said, I hope you did enjoy today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Linea is coming. The situation for the airdrops is heating up because Bitcoin already decided to go to all-time highs. Hopefully, Ethereum will follow. But we do have a lot of things coming up. So with that said, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.